Hello, welcome to the weekly discussion video. My name is Dr. Lydia Drogi, and I want to introduce you to the weekly discussions. Now before we move on, this video is for both Marketing 204 and Marketing 345, so do not be alarmed if the background doesn't match your course exactly. This video has 9 objectives. First, review the introduction. Second, answer structure. Third, additional tips. 4, accessing the submission. 5, submitting. 6, review submissions. 7, viewing the gradebook. 8, reviewing feedback. And 9, detailed feedback. Every week you will have an assignment due in this course. You will be provided with a prompt, detailed instructions, and a fill-in-the-blank style template. Sloppy, missing, or incomplete work will be severely penalized. Case in point, each assignment requires your full name, date, instructor's name, course ID, page number, and footer. Each one that is missing will result in 1 point being deducted. This means an assignment that is otherwise perfect but is missing these 6 pieces of information will be graded a 4 out of 10. As you complete your assignments, you should make sure your answers are 1, well organized, 2, clearly demonstrate you understand what you were asked, 3, clearly demonstrate you understand what you are writing about, and 4, are direct and to the point. Answers that are buried, roundabout, indirect, or otherwise convoluted will be penalized. The following are helpful tips to succeed and do well in this portion of the course. First, pick your final project team and company early. You will need it for most of your assignments, and using the wrong company will result in a 0. Second, even if you miss a week, you should still do it. The assignments build on each other. If you have to make revisions on something you didn't do, the expectation doesn't change. This is particularly applicable for Marketing 345 more so than Marketing 204. Third, use paragraphs. Block text will have at least half of their points deducted. 4. Use bold wisely and sparingly. Bold a term or clause, i.e. 3 to 5 words, not a sentence. Number 5, spacing is not an indicator of expected length of response. 6, cite any work you use, including the book. And 7, buy your book quickly. You will not be able to complete your work without it. All of your discussion and exercise prompts will be in the Discussion Submissions folder in the Course Documents tab. When you are ready to submit your work, click on the title of the specific discussion to open the submission space. On the assignment submission page, you will see the due date, the value, and the prompt. After that, you will see Write Submission and Attach Files. Any work submitted as a text submission, i.e. using the Write Submission function, is an automatic 0. All work must be attached as a doc, docx, or PDF file. Pages will not be accepted. You may add comments if you wish in the comments box. Nothing in the comments box will be considered part of the graded assignment though. When you submit your assignments, you may want to take a screen snapshot and/or write down the confirmation code. Sometimes Blackboard eats submissions. This will help you prove you submitted your work on time and help the IT people track down your work. In this window, you can also see how your file is rendered. Take this opportunity to make sure it looks right because I will take off for sloppy presentation. Lastly, you can see the Start New button. This is where you click if you would like to submit an additional attempt. If that button is not there, then there are no additional attempts for that assignment. When you check the gradebook after submitting your work, you should look for 2 things. 1, the yellow exclamation point. This says you've submitted an assignment, but it has not yet been graded. Second, the other information is the time and date stamp. This lets you know if your work was turned in on time. Once your assignment has been graded, you will see the value in the red box. In that same box, you will see a speech bubble. When you click on that, you will see my general feedback for that assignment. In some assignments, you may need additional detailed feedback. To access that feedback, click on the name of the assignment in the purple box. In this view, you will see inline comments. You will see the sticky note icon showing where the problem is. On the side, you will see the actual comment. You will need to use these functions throughout the course, so please familiarize yourself with them. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.